Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to switch between Bitcoin value and Satoshi value in the Cash app. Okay, so here we are on Cash app. I use this app every day for banking and investing. If you want to learn more, you can check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also get $5 for free when you sign up using the link in the description. Also down in the description are a bunch of links for you to earn free Bitcoin. That's dope. My refunds are coming through for Google. My Cash app card was stolen. The scammer took like 38 bucks, but Google's refunding me, so that's dope. So real quick, Bitcoin over 40,000 again. It's flying. You gotta love it. German police can't access $68 million worth of seized Bitcoin. That's kind of funny. On to today's topic. We're talking about how to switch from Bitcoin value to Satoshis. So what that means, up here at the top, how this says 0.084833229, basically 0.00000001. That's what a Satoshi is. It's the smallest fraction of a Bitcoin. So you can switch between this Bitcoin value, or you can have it say Satoshis, and that will show up here under Bitcoin owned or your recent activity. And in order to do this, what we want to do is come to the cash balance screen here in the bottom left on the tab bar, and then we want to tap on Bitcoin. From there, we can scroll down, and down here, we're gonna see display units. So we can do Bitcoin or Satoshis. This has been a little bit buggy when I've played with it, but you wanna tap on Satoshis, maybe wait a few seconds for it to register because there's no like tap to confirm button. And then we can go back to the investing screen, scroll down, and you should see Satoshis then. So you'll see Satoshis owned 8.4 million. And if we tap on that, it's gonna say 8,483,222 Satoshis is how many I own. Tap OK. You can also see under activity how many Satoshis I purchased each day. Also, if you aren't familiar, I do an experiment where I buy $1 of Bitcoin every single day. I do an update every single Friday on this channel, so you can check that out if you're interested. But yeah, there's the amount of Satoshis I've been buying every single day. And that's how you do it if you want to switch from Bitcoin to Satoshis. This doesn't change your value in any way. It's just a different display option. And I think it might be something that's used more in the future as cryptocurrency becomes more popular, more mainstream, more of the go-to. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Also, check out my other channel that I'm going to start posting on more. It's called AmpX. It's just my initials, and the X stands for extra. So if you want to see some extra bonus type of content, just short videos over there, go ahead and subscribe if you're interested. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go